Welcome to a special episode of One Trip at a Time. In this video, we will take you on a memorable journey to iconic locations around Seoul that played an important role in shaping the successful acting and idol career of Visit Korea's ambassador and our bias, Cha Eun Woo. We hope you can use this itinerary in experiencing an immersive journey with Cha Eun Woo when you visit Seoul. Ibis Style's Ambassador Mongdong is an ideal jump-off point for doing a DIY fan tour of Cha Eun Woo. This is because the hotel is located within 4 to 9 minute walk to 3 different metro stations, Myeongdong, Sungmuro, and Uljiro 3. Naver Maps is an online Korean mapping system that is both web and app-based. Because of its ease of use and functionality, it is the most widely used navigation tool by tourists. It can be downloaded from the App Store or Play Store. Through Naver Map, you can get public transportation options such as train or bus, driving directions, and even walking directions. Cafe Odokse was the very first location shown in the opening sequence of Cha Eun Woo's 2024 drama Disney Plus Wonderful World. This coffee shop was featured frequently in the drama as Rendezvous 82 Cafe. It is a small and cozy neighborhood coffee shop that features unique artworks depicting people from the Joseon period enjoying a cup of espresso coffee. There are also memorabilia of the Wonderful World stars Cha Eun Woo and Kim Nam-joo displayed by the coffee tables. True to the vibrant and artistic atmosphere of Ihwa Mural Village, this gem of a coffee shop also has colorful murals on its walls, giving visitors an opportunity to witness the blend of art and community in this neighborhood. Right next to and above Cafe Odokse is Aji. Aji was featured as the house where Eunwoo's character Kwon Sun-yul was residing, and this was the stairs that lead to his living quarters. In reality though, Aji is a jewelry and lifestyle store. Visit the studio upstairs and shop for earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and even leather goods. The second location is Samsung Yoro Stairs. It is located right next to this brick building called Cheonggiwa Town. This flight of stairs was used repeatedly as a setting for many memorable moments in the 2018 hit series My ID is Gangnam Beauty. The scenes going up and down the stairs reflected the emotional ups and downs experienced by Cha Eun Woo's character Do Kyung-suk and Im Soo-young's character Kang Mi-rae. These stairs helped intensify the narrative moments of the series and articulate deeper feelings of the characters. The stairs have 106 steps in total, with several landings in between, so make sure to wear comfortable shoes, climb slowly, take rests in between landings if necessary, and look forward to get to the top and take in the view of the area. The third location is Y and Anima, featured in the hit drama True Beauty. The structure's iconic hanok design was used as the exterior of Prince Comics, a rental bookstore in the series. It was a prominent setting in the drama where the friendship and romantic relationship of Cha Eun Woo's character Lee Soo-ho and Moon Ga-young's character Lim Ju-gyong were nurtured and strengthened. However, instead of a comic bookstore, Y and Anima is actually a shop that sells handmade leather goods and accessories. They also have a takeout nook where you can buy refreshments while you take photos and videos of the place. The next location is just a few minutes walk from Y and Anima. This is currently known as the Good Buying Club. This was another memorable setting in True Beauty as it was used as the home of Lim Ju-gyong. In particular, this gate and alley were witnesses to some of the most hilarious and romantic scenes in the series. When you go inside, you will find out that Good Buying Club is a general fashion store that sells customized and even pre-loved branded clothes, bags, and accessories for both men and women. Make sure to visit the store to score good vintage items and even access its balcony made famous by the series. Another must-visit location for fans of True Beauty are the Underwood Hall and Yonhee Hall of Yonsei University in Shincheon. Due to the hall's gorgeous Gothic architecture, they were used as the setting of Lee Soo-ho and Lim Ju-gyong's school, Sebum High School. The Underwood Hall functions as a museum dedicated to Yonsei's founder, Horace G. Underwood. Yonhee Hall, just behind Underwood Hall, is occupied by the College of Social Sciences and the Graduate School of Public Administration. Both buildings have expansive gardens and are some of the many Instagrammable buildings around the campus. The last stop for the day is MLE Charcoal Grill Galbi. The restaurant appeared in Cha Eun Woo's 2023 drama, A Good Day to Be a Dog. In the series, the restaurant was simply named Charcoal Grill Galbi. The place played an important role as it is where the exposition or inciting incident happened that sets the stage for the beginning of the story. It is when Park Yoo-young's character Han Hena kissed Cha Eun Woo's character Jin So-won, which triggered her curse of transforming into a dog. MLE Charcoal Grill Galbi opens from 4 p.m. onward, so it is better to visit for an early dinner. You can choose from the different charcoal grilled chicken menu such as ribs, feet, or neck, and make sure to ask for the table used in the drama to relive the scenes. The first stop for the second day is Changdeokgung Palace, which was used heavily as a backdrop for Cha Eun Woo's 2019 Netflix series rookie historian Gu Heryong. Perhaps one of the most beautiful sights within the palace complex is Biwon, or the Secret Garden, known for its verdant and wonderfully well-preserved grounds. The garden served as a link for Cha Eun Woo's character Prince Yirim to escape his solitary confinement in Noksodang and experience the real outside world. A visit to the garden requires a separate admission ticket from the palace access. To avoid disappointment, try to secure tickets in advance as slots are very limited. Our next stop is Seoul Forest, where Cha Eun Woo and Moonbin benches are located. Seoul Forest Park has a bench adoption program where the public can adopt park benches for a fee. These benches will then be named to celebrate a loved one or a favorite celebrity. Cha Eun Woo's bench is found by the Cherry Blossom Trail. Aside from his name, it bears the message, "Even if time passes and you change, I will always be here." Right next to it is the bench dedicated to his friend and Astro member Moonbin. Next, we go to Fanto Entertainment. Fanto is Cha Eun Woo's label and management agency. There is a funny anecdote about Eun Woo's scouting by Fanto. He was in middle school when he was seen by a talent agent on his way to the bathroom of all places during a school festival. He and his parents initially turned down the idea but eventually gave the auditions a try due to the agent's persistence. Then the rest, they say, is history. Drop by Fanto to see where Cha Eun Woo go for dance practices and recording sessions as an idol. If you are lucky enough, you might even bump into him or other artists from the same agency. Certainly a favorite amongst tourists in Seoul is our next stop, the LTE World Adventure. This theme park, particularly the garden stage, was used as a location for True Beauty. This is where Wang In-yop's character, Han Seo-jeon, had his debut showcase with a song composed and remastered by Lee Soo-ho. LTE World is a large theme park which is made up of an indoor amusement park called Adventure and an exciting outdoor attraction called Magic Island. Spend more time here to experience thrilling rides, captivating shows, and family-friendly activities. Make your dreams come true at LTE World. The last stop of this Cha Eun Woo fan DIY itinerary is Mongdong Shopping District. You can drop by a music store like Music Korea to buy Cha Eun Woo or Astro albums like this Entity album or A Good Day to Be a Dog OST. Then you can go visit the retail brands that Cha Eun Woo endorses, such as North Face, Giordano, and Skechers. All these have boutiques adjacent or near Myeongdong Station. Admire Cha Eun Woo's giant print ads, take pictures with his life-size standees, and purchase his recommended fashion pieces. Cha Eun Woo has more than 15 brand endorsements as of October 2024. These endorsements range from clothing, footwear, jewelry, food, snacks, beverages, to even insurance. So you sure will see his face in many corners, not just in Mongdong, but everywhere in Seoul. And speaking of which, in between the different stops in this itinerary, you can opt to dine in any of the restaurants that are or have been endorsed by Eun Woo. Now, if you liked this itinerary, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to other Cha Eun Woo fangirls and fanboys out there. I'm sure they will be happy to follow this itinerary when they visit Seoul. So thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video. Bye!